Okay, I just finished the demo on the bathroom. Here's what came out of it. That's the bathroom window. Just threw everything out on the ground. That's all this wall board he had. See, it's all been glued onto the wall. It's a pain in the butt to get it off. So the vanities out there, the street. Someone to use it. Here's the kitchen, dining room, hallway, family room, and voila, the bathroom. So you can see the like I showed before, where he had all this wallboard glued onto the wall. I started scraping. I scraped this wall. See that? Compared to that. Scraped the glue off. Some of the paint came off with it. So that wall's been scraped. That's been scraped. This needs to be scraped. Needs to be scraped. So I got a lot of scraping to do. But this is the tub and the surrounding tile. So what I'm going to do is run tile. Let's see. Yeah, the lighting's bad. Tile that whole wall here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing. They built this up to be a wall for a shower. I don't like it. Don't know what I'm going to do there. I have to talk to my wife, Tina, and see what she wants to do. Took out the ceiling fan. Took out the medicine cabinet. Put in a bigger one. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to scrape the walls tomorrow. Patch them up. And then prime them and start putting this thing back together. Shouldn't be too bad. It's a smaller job than I usually do. Usually take out the tub and the toilet too and redo all the tiling. Just trying to get this one done quick, get it on the market. Alright, I'll see you later.